Welcome back, Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you manifest some extra money into those money bags. Like that, we can acquire as much BTC as we can. You guys know that we're going to be talking about FEG token on this one. We'll do some price prediction, but this was the last day for that festive code. So we're going to go over the latest and greatest from FEG token, get up to date right before the holidays, because the new year is right around the corner. Big things are coming when it comes to FEG token. Let's make sure we like and retweet everything. Same time, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel, the fastest growing YouTube channel on the tube, soon to be, that is for sure. Make sure you guys give FEG token a follow at FEG token, and make sure the bell notification is lit. So we got Merry Christmas, and as we celebrate with joy and cheer, FEG also is gearing up for an exciting new year. Post holiday season, get ready for the unveiling of SDL. So listen to that right there. Post holiday season, get ready for the unveiling of SDL and Leap, marking a new era of innovation. Here's the future, bright with technology. SDL, hashtag SDL, hashtag Leap. So I want you guys on this video, on this tweet, on the X post I put after every video. So make sure you're following me at Rico Moneybags. Also stay tapped in with the Moneybags Mansion, my TG, where we're going to be talking about all Project Smart DeFi, everything FEG, everything hot plays, Moneybag alerts are all inside that TG there for you. So we got this right here. This is a new hashtag that we're seeing from the team. So let's go ahead and read in between the lines. Make sure we like, retweet everything going on with FEG token. Everybody supporting this this project. Big shout out to Mark West, been here with FEG token for a long time. So this is epic to see these people here still with us. Go ahead and scroll down. We got Captain. Big shout out to the Captain. You guys know I did a video on the Spark coin. You guys got to check that video out. It is fire. There's a lot of FEG army up in there. We got amazing news to celebrate Christmas ever. I'm definitely planning to stake that one for the kids. Thank you to the FEG team. It was really exciting to crack this code and to watch all the videos that have been created about it. LFG, FEG token, to the moon and beyond. That's what we're going to do right here on this channel. We're going to document this process. We're going back to $1 million market cap. You guys will see, like and retweet everything going on right here. Congratulations to Captain on cracking the code. Big shout out to the Captain. We got this right here as well. Vote, hashtag FEG. Make sure you guys like and retweet this, and we're going to show exactly that post in 1 second. So Mark West actually won as well. Big shout out to all the winners that cracked the code. This is, like I said, very exciting times. And as you can tell, we're gearing up more and more and more. There's something going on. Now we got this new hashtag, hashtag Leap. Let me know down in the comments if you guys got an idea of what that's about. So we got this right here. This is on the 12th day of Christmas. You guys know what's up with the festive code and FEG track to track your money. So we know that there is an update on that. We're going to check that out as well. Let's like and retweet this. Let's make sure we get as much as engagement as we can. Speaking of the Spark coin, there it goes right there. Big shout out to Albi. Go ahead and see what else we got right here. Making sure we're up to date with everything going on. Congratulations. We have our 3rd, 4th, and 5th winner of the festive code cracker. So big shout out to these winners right here. You have won a colossal 200K FEG tokens. If you guys have not watched the video on how to stake, watch the how to stake your FEG token videos. I'm currently staking, and that thing compounds automatically. And when we get to the prices, you're going to see that this is going to be a lot of fun for us. We're consolidating. We're doing really good. We're moving and grooving, as people like to say. So let's like and retweet this. This was such a fun concept to bring to life, a solid vision from the FEG team. Everything is firing on all cylinders. Cheers. I love the sound of that. When everything's firing on all cylinders, you got that V8 roaring how it's supposed to. That is just how it's supposed to be. So this is where I want to scroll down. This right here, this tells me the FEG army is here strong. Right here, we're, down and out a little bit, and out of nowhere, every time I see one of these, and if anybody's competing against FEG, they got some serious competition, because the minute we sound the alarm, like I'm going to sound the alarm on this video for you guys to like, subscribe, and share this video, knowing that post-holidays, hashtag SDL, hashtag Leap is what the team has put out. Let's ramp this up. Let's ramp this video up. Let's make sure that we keep engaging with all things FEG token on this channel, on their main page at FEG token on X. And make sure you guys go check out fegtoken.com. You guys know I have all those links for you guys down below. We got this Christmas. We celebrate. Okay, we went over this. Let's like and retweet this. Okay. Now let's get to these price predictions, technical analysis, see where we're at. We're documenting this process. This is a $1 billion project. Just to let you know how much this is a $1 billion project, if a token had this UI alone, this would be the talk of the talk as far as utility goes. I'm not going to downplay any other tokens. I'm not here to shame anybody's bag, But let's just be honest. If another token had this UI right here, this would be bullish alone. So this is tech that we have right now in the DeFi space coming from the Feg team. Big shout out to the Feg team that put this UI together. Big shout out to Rocks the Alien himself. But this UI is so clean. This is ours to use. And not only that, but it lets you do the staking. We got the smart tools. We got the SD scan. So that's just like BSC scan, just like Ether scan. We got smart DeFi scan. This is bullish to me, okay? We got backing. We got what's going on. We got the smart lending as well. But let's get to these price predictions and see where we're at on the BSC and on the ETH side. And this lets you know also, and we're going to be talking about this a little bit later on in the channel. If you guys want to know about arbitrage, leave some comments down below, because we see the price at 3 zeros 26.70. If we go to the other side right here on the ETH, simply by clicking that up there, we got 3 zeros 21.71. Okay, so 21.71, 26. There's arbitrage opportunities. Obviously, you know, with ETH fees, that's something that you want to take into consideration. But if you are buying and selling on a different exchange or moving it around, there are profits to be made right there. And I think people are doing that, which is completely all right to do that. A lot of big companies, a lot of big things have been started and been made off of arbitrage alone. So right now we're holding the price point at 26.79. Right underneath that, but give or take, because, you know, this is DeFi, so it's always going to be a give or take. And we're going to see if we hold on to this and start to march right back up. Then we have this right above us, which is at 28. We're trying to get over that 3 zeros free. Okay, that's going to be our next threshold that we're looking at. We're sitting at 20,000 in volume, sitting at a $13 million market cap, 64,000 holders. Go over to the ETH side. We have 77 holders, so still very fresh, 26K in volume. We got a $10 million market cap on this side, and we see the ETH chart holding up pretty well, but it is underneath the BNB side. So let's go ahead and see if there's a channel right here. I can kind of see that little range that's going on right here, horizontal line. We are on the hourly chart. Obviously, we'll be zoomed out as time continues to progress and we start to delete zeros. But this is the channel that we're in. I know this is a little like it dips underneath a little bit lower, but we can see these support levels right here. So let's go ahead and identify these, and then we'll continue with the video really quick, just so we have this documented as we move along. So let's see if we hold this area right here, which the price is 20.83, pumping back up to get past 22.48, marching back up to that 25.04, that last little rip up that we had in that section. So I want you guys to like, subscribe, share these videos, continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Let me know down in the comments, are you interested in talking about arbitrage? And you guys want to see videos on how to do arbitrage, or are you guys interested in that? If you guys are not, no big deal. Tap in with the links down below, the Moneybags Mansion TG, where we'll be talking about all the smart DeFi projects. Also, make sure that you guys are following Feg Token at Feg Token, and make sure you guys continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Post seasons, SDL hashtag, and that hashtag leap. Let me know if you guys know what that's about down in the comments. You guys know what's up. Until next time, later.